Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Linux Mint terminal. To begin, open the terminal application from your menu or by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously. You'll see a prompt where you can type commands. Start with pwd to print your current working directory, then try ls to list its contents. This is your gateway to powerful system control. Managing your files and folders is simple. Use mkdir to create a new directory, for example, mkdir my folder. To enter it, type cd my folder. You can create a file with touch new file, txt. To move it, use mv new file, txt. / to move it up one level. Deleting is done with rm for files or rmdir for empty folders. Installing and managing software is straightforward. First, always run sudo apt update to refresh your package lists. Then, to install a new program, use sudo apt install followed by the package name, like sudo apt install vlc. If you need to remove an application, simply use sudo apt remove with the package name. This keeps your system clean and up to date. Understanding file permissions is crucial for security. The chmod command lets you modify these. For instance, chmod 755 script. sh makes a script executable for the owner. Remember to use the man command like man ls for detailed help on any command. Also, leverage the tab key for auto-completion. It's a huge time saver in the terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.